Good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to our weekly market update. This morning, it's an old boys affair. I've got Josh and Fraser with me this morning. How are you guys?
Good, thanks, Nick.
Yeah, pretty good, thank you. First one for a while, 3 males, I believe.
That's right, it has been, yeah. What's the weekend been like for you guys? Seems like there's been a few events on across southern Tasmania this weekend, so a bit of action going on. Did anybody see many people out and about at all the different events?
Yeah, I was on duty for the weekend, but Hillville was a hive of activity. So around last show obviously brings them all in, and then at 3:30 they'll flood through the township. So
lots of people about.
Yeah, it looked to be plenty of people about, and as the one I drove through Franklin on Saturday morning as well, there's cars parked there everywhere for the rowing there as well. So there's plenty of people in the valley on the weekend, enjoying the good weather.
And there was Point to Pinnacle, toy run in Hobart, and Jack Jumpers family day. There's tons of stuff on over the weekend. So it was we did well, getting some reasonable numbers still turning up to the open homes. What was happening? So strategically, we planned some on Saturday, some on Sunday, just to sort of see where the people were at, and what were the numbers like?
I reckon across all was probably average of 4 groups through the average, but one property we actually had 7 groups through.
Yeah, that's good.
But they're still about, and obviously coming in next weekend with a lot less social events on, I think we're starting to get that time where we get busy.
Yeah. And longer days, sunshine out. It's been quite a few new properties hitting the market at the moment.
Definitely.
Yeah. And this week there's some more coming up, so there'll be a few hitting the internet this week. So keep an eye out for some of those. It's been a busy couple of weeks, but I'm sure there's a busy couple of weeks coming too with some of these properties.
Definitely. No
doubt.
And what's been happening in property management, Fraser?
We've actually noticed it's been a little bit different in property management coming into Christmas time. It's slowed down a little bit. The number of appraisals and that sort of thing has definitely been up, and people looking into the new year, but the number of new properties coming on and prospective tenants out there applying and that sort of thing is definitely starting to slow down coming into Christmas time, which isn't it's a pretty usual thing, I believe. So as we come into Christmas time, we'll start to quiet down, then obviously come mid-January, it'll start booming again. Is what the trends have been in the last couple of years. Yeah,
it's interesting because you have certain times where leases end and people move. There's sort of a big window either side of the winter period where people are moving. Where the leases are ending, where there's not many leases end at that Christmas period because of the exclusion periods and tenants sort of right to be uninterrupted, I suppose, in that sort of period. So you've sort of probably got a lot more happening, either side of that Christmas month than what there is sort of coming into it. So
so we have been just trying to advise landlords that if properties are going up, then we're trying to get them to go up soon within the next week or so. Then we can have that last final push to find a tenant before Christmas, and then if not, we'll launch them again early January and go from there.
There's a few more things happening soon. We've got the Young Valley Christmas pageant, not this weekend, but the following on the 29th, 30th. I'm not sure which night. The
29th it is.
29th, there you go. So we're helping out again. That was very popular at our store last year. I think there's quite a few more this year than what there was last year. So there'll be a fair few of the team there in the parade and afterwards with a few activities for the kids. So we look forward to seeing a lot of you guys there at that one. We've got some market share data just came to us over the weekend for the last quarter, and we're clear number one again for sales for the Huon Valley by a reasonable percentage, and shortest days on market by a long way as well, which is really good data to look at. If anyone wants to see that report, we'll be publishing some of the stuff over the next couple of weeks relating to that. But if you'd like to get a copy of it or reach out to any of the sales team, and we can certainly send that one through to you. So I think that's probably about it for this week, guys. Let's keep an eye out for some of the new properties hitting the market, and we'll see you all on the update next week.
Thank you.